No, it's fine, it's fine. Alright, which one are you looking at? The phone? Alright. Okay, I must have had a picture there, so it's fine.
Happy 8-year-old birthday, Cheesy.
Alright.
Yeah. No. No. What be a canishi?
Why not his sister? Why not fair?
You can't have Emmanuel.
Now I'm coming, okay?
That looks like a grin.
Yeah, that's good.
Exactly.
Like you now, cool.
Yeah.
Where you guys cooking?
All right.
But look at the camera, look at the camera.
Look at the camera.
On a porco.
Okay, on the heater.
Look at the camera. Smile.
Zara.
Oh, you know that's actually Smile.
Hey, this Anthony. That's the cake. Okay, let's cut the cake. Biko, honey, why go Kongwa?
Happy birthday
to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Many more years 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 to you.
Beep, beep, beep.
Hooray!
At the spelling of Jesus, we cut the cake.
Jesus.
Jesus.
Blow your candle.
Happy birthday.
You might blow your candle. Oh.
Wait, when is your
So, Mas, what are you doing?
I want to sit down.
Okay, you want to sit down? Come and sit down here.
There is a lot there. Yeah, happy
Cheese.
birthday.
Oh, I never had a chin.
Oh, you want cake? I don't know. Mas, black.
Children.
Me, I'm children.
I'm children.
No, she only look at me.
Don't call no more.
Yes, sir.
I don't like that.
Don't like what chocolate.
Give me it though. I already ate it.
I don't like it.
Wow.
Bro is stealing the show.
Daniel, can you have me tissue? Is there any more balloons for me? Wait, I'll get more balloons from the wall. Claudia, getting more balloons from the wall.
Yeah.
I have a couple already. No, you're not leaving. I need five balloons.
Anthony!
So that means five. One more piece that I'm using that.
Ha! Anthony!
Hey!
Yes! So if you look on YouTube,